Hi guys, here I am with a nice algebraic equation to solve with you all. So here I have x minus y equals 95 and square root of x plus square root of y equals 19. So how can we solve this? If you have any idea, you can write it in the comment box. Now here I have x and y. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to write that and then you'll come to know what I have done. X can also be written as square root of x the whole squared. Now you might be knowing what I've done. So the square and root gets cancelled and you'll get back to the value of x. So you can write x in this way. Now the same way I can write the value of y. Y is equal to square root of y the whole squared. Now here I have this equation x minus y equals to 95. I'm going to substitute the values of x and y here. So what do I get? I have square root of x the whole squared minus square root of y the whole squared is equal to, what do I have here? 95. So that's what I have to write here, 95. Now what do you think? You can guess what it is. It's an identity, a square minus b square. And what's the formula for that? That's a plus b times a minus b. Now let's substitute it back. So you have square root of x plus square root of y, that's your a plus b, times a minus b is square root of x minus square root of y is equal to, you already have that, it's 95. Now you know from the equation that square root of x plus square root of y is 19. This part is 19, so we just want this part. So let us write it. 19 times square root of x minus square root of y is equal to 95. Now let's divide both sides by 19 to eliminate 19 from here. So you get square root of x minus square root of y is equal to 95 divided by 19 is 5. Now what can I do? After this step, I have got square root of x minus square root of y, that is a difference of that. And here I have the sum, square root of x plus square root of y. So I'm going to write that back the other way round. That's square root of x plus square root of y is equal to 19. Let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. How can I find the values of x and y from these two equations? Either you can add them up, yes. So let's try that out. So when I'm adding equation 1 and 2, what happens is you get square root of x minus square root of y plus square root of x plus square root of y is equal to 19 plus 5 is 24. Now here I have negative square root of y plus square root of y gets cancelled. I'm left with square root of x plus square root of x, and that's 2 times square root of x is equal to 24. Now you can easily find out, right? Divide both sides by 2. What do you get? You just get square root of x is equal to 24 by 2 is 12. You've got the value of square root of x, just plug it into this one to get the value of y, and you get the value of y as square root of y is 7. Alright, now you've got square root of x and square root of y. What about x and y? So here we have square root of x and y. So if you want to find the values of x and y, what we can do is just square them up, right? So if you square this term, square root of x the whole square, square root and x gets cancelled. 12 square is 144. What about y? Squaring both sides, square root and square gets cancelled. So y is equal to 7 square, that's 49, and you have the two values of x and y with you. That's it. How simple was that? Solving algebraic equations is really simple. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for joining. Take care. Bye-bye.